this is something called as lucky digit number. Okay, the concept of lucky digit number. Okay, what is this lucky digit number? Okay, so let's take it as like look on here. This is the lucky digit number. Okay, lucky digit number. So what is this lucky digit number? It's all about. Okay, for example, let us 4, 3, 7, 2. Okay, whatever the number is, whatever the number is. Okay, now what I do is I will add this number. Okay, I will add this number. I will add this number. I will tell it has 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2. Okay, 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2. Okay, if I add it, okay, 4 plus 3 is what, guys? 4 plus 3 is again like 7. 7 plus 7 is nothing but 14. 14 plus 2. 14 plus 2 is nothing but what? 14 plus 2 is nothing but what? 14 plus 2 is nothing but what? 16, right? Now 16 plus 1. Okay, now again I will do it. 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 is nothing but what? 7. 16 plus 1 is what? 7. 1 plus 6 is what? 7, right? So 7 is the number. You are getting a 7 is a number. And you are comparing whether 7 is equal to 9 or not. Okay, if it is 9, if it is equal to 9, then it is called as a lucky digit number. If it is not equal to 9, then it is not a lucky digit number. Okay, for example, let's take it like this, like 8 8 3, okay, 6 1. Okay, let's take this number. Okay, let's take this number, let's add it. Okay, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1, right? So 8 plus 3 is what, guys? 8 plus 3 is nothing but okay, so what is this calculation, guys? 11. 11 plus 6 is nothing but 17. 17 plus 1 is nothing but 18, right? 18. 1 plus 8 is what, guys? 1 plus 8 is what, guys? 1 plus 8 is what? 9, right? So if it is 9 is equal to 9, then it is a lucky number. Or else you can, okay, 8 and 1, 9 will happen, right? 3 and 6, 9 will happen, right? So this gets cancelled. So remaining is what? It is nothing but 0 itself, right? If your remaining is 0, then it is called as a lucky digit number. So same thing, you will do it with other numbers also, like let's say 7 2, like 5 4, right? So 5 4 one combination you will get it, so it becomes 9, and 7 and 2 one combination you will form it, right? So it will become what? 0. So if you are getting like this, then it is called as a lucky digit number. So this is the concept of lucky digit number. So those who are done with this, you can go for the lucky digit, and this concept will help you out in the apti, guys.
Also, let's take a number, guys. Let's take a number here. Let's take a okay. Let's take a number in. Okay, let's take a number. Okay, let's take a number here. I will comment here. I will comment here. Let's take a number. N is equal to what, guys? Let's take it whatever the random number is. Okay, 5 6 4 3. Okay, whatever the random number is. Tell me, what is the sum of this? What is the sum of this? What is the next sum of this? 5 plus 6 is nothing but 6 plus 4 10 10 15 15 16 17 18, right? So 18 you will get it, right? So 18. So at the last what you'll get it, you need to get it as 9, right? You need to get it as 9. Okay, let's write a program to find the sum of these numbers, like this, the procedure like this. Okay, so how to do it? How to do that? How to do that? I will erase this. I will erase this everything. I will erase this everything. Okay, tell me, guys, how to do that? How to do that? I'm taking a number, guys. I'm taking a number. I want to add that number again and again. 5 plus 6 plus 3. So that I want one variable called as sum, guys. I want one variable called as sum. If I don't initialize this sum will become to garbage value. So what I'll do, I'll initialize to sum. No problem with that. Okay, now tell me, how can I get it that 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3? Look onto here, look onto here, look onto here, guys. Look onto here. I have a number called as what is that? What is the number I have it, guys? What is the number I have it? What's the number I have it? 5 6 4 3, right? I have 5 6 4 3, right? So I always need to think in this order. I should not think in 5 plus 6 plus 3, right? I want to think in this order. I want to take this 3, I want to take this 3, and I want to add it in one variable called as sum, right? I will add it in one variable called as sum, right? I will add it here. 3, I will add it here, right? So next one, what I need to do it, I need to eliminate this. I need to cut this. I need to reduce this number. Then the number will be 5 6 4. The last number always I need to take it. The last number I want to take it. Then I want to add it with 3 plus 4, right? What is 3 plus 4? It will become 7. Now sum will become what? 7. The new value is 7, right? Again, I want to reduce this number, 56, right? So again, what I'll do it, I'll take the last number. Last number, I will add it with 7. What is 5 plus 7? 6 plus 6 plus this one, It is nothing but 13, right? 13 I am adding to sum. Again, I am storing back to sum itself. Later, what I'll do it, I'll take this number called as 5. 5 again, what I'll do it, 5 I will add it again. I will add it again 5 to 13, right? 13 plus 5 is nothing but 18. Okay, 13 plus 5 is 18, right? So this becomes what? The number becomes what now? 0. Now I want to check it out whether sum is greater than 9 or not. Whether sum is greater than, whether 9 is greater than 8, sum is greater than 89 or not. If it is greater than, then quit it. If it is not greater than, okay, if it is not greater than, okay, if it is not greater than, what I need to do it, I need to calculate this one again, correct, right? I need to take this 18 again, 18 again. I want to do the same procedure with what I did with 563, right? 563. So how do I do that? So again, I want to take it as 8. I want to tell it. Then again, I want to add it this 8 plus 1. What is 8 plus 1? 8 plus 1 is nothing but 9. So if this is a single digit number, then I will stop it, right? This is the procedure I'll be doing it. Okay, now to get this look onto this, guys. Okay, to decrease one number, okay, if it is number is 10, to decrease any number by one value, what I'll do it -1, right? To decrease any number by 1 unit, what I'll do it is, to take a last unit digit, you will know it. Okay, you will do it modulus of 10. Okay, you will do it modulus of 10. To decrease 1 unit, a number by 1 unit, what will do it? You will do it something called as divided by 10. If you tell divided by 10, you take it any number, like let's say 1 3 4 6, right? You divide by 10. Okay, what is the output? You will get it 1 3 4. It is now, this number is decreased by 1 unit actually, right? This number is decreased by 1 unit actually. The 6 is gone, right? The new number is 134. This is how you will decrease by 1 unit. Okay, this part you need to know about it. Okay, this part you need to know about it. Now tell me, guys, what I need to do it. First, I want to take the last digit 3. I want to take it, right? So how do I get it 3, guys? I'll get it 3 by n modulus of 10. I'll get it 3, guys. I'll get it 3 at the beginning. At the beginning, I'll get it what, guys? At the beginning I will get it 3, right? So this 3 I'll save it into one variable called as reminder. I'll tell it as reminder. Okay, I'll tell it as r itself. Okay, so I'll tell it as integer now. Done. And this 3 I told you I want to store it in one variable, correct, right? I want to store it in one variable. That variable is nothing but what is sum is equal to 3. And tell it sum is equal to reminder. I want to tell it, while I'm storing it, I want to store in such a way that I need to take that sum value also plus reminder, right? So what I'll do it now, I'll tell it as sum plus reminder. So I got it here, what, guys? 3. Now in this sum, what I have it, in this sum what I'm doing it, in the first situation I'm doing 0 plus 3. Agree with this? Guys? 0 plus 3, sum is nothing but 0 and 3. I'm adding it, right? So again, what I needed is, next time I wanted 4, so that I want to reduce this by 1 unit. I need to reduce this by 1 unit. How do I reduce this by 1 unit, guys? How do I reduce by 1 unit? I will tell it as n is equal to n divided by 10. I'll tell it as n is equal to n divided by 10. If I do this, guys, okay, what will the n value, guys? Now what will the n value? 567, right? Sorry, 564. So it is reduced by 1 unit, right? It is reduced by 1 unit. Okay, I need to repeat this step. Regularly. Correct, right? So what I will do it, guys, I'll put it in a looping statement, right? Right, guys? I need to put it in a looping statement. So what I'll do it now, I'll tell it as entire thing, I'll put it in a while loop. Okay, entire thing I'll put it in a while loop. I'll open this and I will close this. I will close this. Done, guys. Okay, what I need to check it in the while loop, guys? I need to do this again. I will repeat this. Okay, again I will repeat this. Later I will tell the condition what is that. Again I will repeat this. Now what is the number, guys? I have it 564, right? 564 modulus of 10. What is 564 modulus of 10? I'll be again getting it what? 4. I'll be getting the thing called as 4. Okay, now what I'll do it. Now again, what I need to add it, guys? Sum plus r. In this sum, what I have it? 3 I have it, right? This is the value I have it, 0 plus 3, right? In this sum I have 3 plus, what is the reminder, guys? Now new reminder is what? 4 now, right? So I'm getting 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. I will be storing to sum. Now sum has 7 value, right? So again I will come here, again I will reduce this. Okay, again I will reduce this. 564 will become what, guys? 56. 564 will become 56. Again I'm going here, some condition is there, it is satisfying it is coming again. Okay, it is coming again. So 56 modulus of 10 is nothing but what, guys? 6, right? Again in the next line, what I need to do it, 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4, guys? 7. 7 is actually stored in sum. Sum value is nothing but 7. Now 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. What is 7 plus 6? 13. 13 is stored to where, guys? 7. Sum, right? So again, I'm coming here, I'm reducing by 1 unit. Now the n value will become what? 5 here. Again, it is going here, some condition is becoming true. So that only I'm going to operate it. Okay. So now what happens? 5 modulus of, sorry, 5 modulus of 10. What is 5 modulus of 10? 5 modulus of 10 is remainder is nothing but 5 itself. It is coming to here, it is coming to here, and is telling that 13 plus 5, right? 13 plus 5. What is 13 plus 5, guys? 13 plus 5 is nothing but what is 13 plus 5? 18. 18 is saved to sum now. Now it is coming to here, n. N is nothing but what, guys? N is nothing but what? N is nothing but 0 now, right? N is nothing but 0. Do you want to do this operation again, guys? Do you want to do this operation again? No, you should not do this operation again. Okay, you should not do this operation again. So what is this? What is this? What is this? How many times you need to do it? When n is greater than 0. When n is greater than 0, till that you need to do it. If n is crossing it, you should not to do it. Done with this? Yes, done with this? Okay, here I am getting at the final answer. At the final answer, I'm getting it has 18, guys. I'm getting it has what, guys? 18. I'm getting it. 18. I'm getting it. Now, after doing this operation, okay, after doing this operation, I will come out of the loop. Okay, I will come out of the loop. I will check it out whether 18, whatever 18 is in where? Sum, right? 18 is in sum, right? 18 is in sum. Okay, what I do it, whether sum is less than 10. Okay, whether sum is less than 10 or not. Correct, guys? If sum is less than 10, I need to do some operation here. I'll tell you what it is. Okay, if sum is less than 10, I will compare it here. I will tell it here. If sum is less than 10, I'll just tell. Okay, okay. I will not do it here. I will not do it here. Okay, I will not do it here. After doing this operation, guys, after doing this operation, I want to check it whether sum is equal to sum is less than that digit, whatever the digit is, right? So for that operation, I need to do something else also. I need to do something else also. I'm just thinking it how to do it. Tell me how can we do it? How can we do it next further? So if I print it, okay, we can just print it. Okay, we print it out. Printf, I'll tell it has slash n. Well, let's see whether this much is working right or not. Okay, I'll tell it as sum here. I'll go for here and I will tell it has compile this. Okay, ./a.oot out, right? So I'll tell it as what is that? 5643, something like this. Okay, yeah, it is nothing but 18. I'm getting it 18, right? So we are tracing part is correct. Whatever you were thinking is correct, right? So I'm getting that 18, right? So if I tell it as any other number, let's say like 1111, right? So what is this 1111? I'm getting it 4. I'm getting it 4. Okay, cool, no problem. I'm getting it 2222, right? I'm getting it 10, right? Now this double digit, I need to reduce it again. This double digit, I need to reduce it again, guys. I need to reduce it again. So how can I do this? Okay, how can I do this? That is what I want you to think it. That is what I need to think it. In the next procedure, I want to think in that way. You want to think in that way. So what is the next procedure? It might be, okay, I'll be getting some here. Sum is equal to, okay, fine, no problem. I want to repeat this logic again, right? This entire logic, I need to repeat this again. Look onto here, guys. I want to this entire logic is there, right? This entire logic, I want to repeat this again, guys. I want to repeat this again until unless the sum becomes a single digit. The sum becomes single digit. How do I repeat this? How do I repeat this? For repetition, I'll be using one more loop, guys. One more loop, right? One more loop, I'll be doing it. Okay, so what I do is one more loop, I'll write it. One more loop, I'll write it. What is the one more loop? I'll do it. I will tell it has while some condition, I'll write it here. While some condition, I'll write it here. Open this and I will close this. While some condition, I'll write it. Okay. Before going to here, okay, before going to here, what I do is I'll make it after coming out of this. Okay, after coming out of this, I will tell it as n is equal to sum. I'll assign back to sum. I will assign back n is equal to sum. Okay, what is the beneficiary of this? Okay, n will become 0 only, guys. Okay, before assigning, I will tell you. I will print out. Okay, I'll print it out. N is equal to what? Okay, percentage d slash n. Okay, I'll tell it as n here, right? I'll print it out. Here also I'll print out n. What is it? N. After this, why I'm doing this n? Okay, I will tell you why I am making assigning to n. Right now, you just think it. I'm assigning some value to n. Okay, I'm assigning back to n. Why I'm doing that? There is one small reason. Okay, there is one small reason. I'll tell it. Okay, so I will. Okay, fine, cool, no problem. So I'll go here. I'll tell it has. I'll comment this. I'll comment this line. I'll comment this line. I'll open this and I'll close this. I'll run this program. Out. Okay, so I'll let us 5 4 5 4 6 3, right? Whatever the number is. Look onto this, guys. N becomes 0. Each time, each iteration, n becomes 0. What I'm doing it, I'm assigning n to sum to n. Okay, so what is the help of this one is? What is the help of this one is? I'll be going here. It will clarify my everything. It will clarify everything. Here I will check it out. Here I will check it out. If n is a single digit, guys, do I want to do this operation, guys? Do I want to do this all this operation, guys? If n is equal to single digit, guys, if I do I want to do this operation? No, I don't want to do this operation, right? If n is greater than 10, if n is greater than 10, you do this operation. Or else I'll tell us, if n is greater than 9, you do this operation. If n is greater than 9, then only you do this operation. Or else you don't do this operation. Correct, right? If I'm reading n is equal to 9, I'm reading it here, n is equal to 9. Okay, it will come and check it out. 9 is greater than 9, condition becomes what? False. Okay, it will never do this operation. This will never do this entire operation. Why? Because of it is a single digit. If n is equal to 10, 10 is greater than 9. Yes, 10 is greater than 9. Do this operation. Got it? Do this operation. Again, I'm coming here. I'm assigning n. Why I am assigning n? The while loop will come here again to here. Okay, after 18. Okay, after I'm assigning n to 18. Again, this while loop will come. 18 is greater than 9. Yes, 18 is greater than 9. Do this operation again. One more time, you do this operation. Right? When you do one more time operation, you will change the n's value. You will change the n's value, right? You will change the n's value. Now n's value will be differing it. Okay, so now let's check it out on this. So with the small thing, I'll be redefining it. Okay, I'll be redefining it. So let's run this program. Let's compile this. I'll tell it ./e.out out. Okay, I'll tell it has, what is that, guys? 5 4 6 3, right? 5 4 6 3. It is going for infinite loop, guys. What was the wrong, guys? Check it out, whether it's n is greater than or n is less than. Guys, what is the changes I want to make it? Check it out. cd clang slash skillbout slash clang p1. Okay, vi day 7 ls day 8. Okay, vi day 8 dot c. Okay, what is the thing? Where the thing got wrong, guys? Where the thing got wrong? Some things got wrong. Why it is going for infinite loop? Okay, next time it will come. It will come again. It will telling that n is nothing but 18. 18 is greater than 9. Yes, it is. 18 is greater than 9. It's coming to here. N is greater than 0. Yes, n is greater than 0. It is coming here 18. Again 8. It will come here 8 plus. Okay, 8 plus. Okay. What is the thing is, again I want to initialize sum to 0. That is the case. That is the only case I want to write it. Okay, what happens is I have not reinitialized the sum, right? So I want to tell it has sum is equal to 0 here. Sum is equal to 0 here. If I do this, it will be all okay for you. Okay, if I do this, sum is equal to 0. This was a small mistake. Look onto this. The sum is nothing but 18 itself, right? Now again 18 plus 8, what happens now? 18 plus 8, it becomes now 26, right? 26, right? It goes on like this. The sum will not become anything. The sum will not become single digit at all. Okay, that same thing I'll be assigning to n, and this n will go for infinite loop. This is the only smallest bug which we missed it. That is why I tell you, you need to trace it, right? So let's run this program. Let's see it how it was. cc let us day8.c ./e.out, right? So look onto this. Let's let's check it out with this. Okay, 5 8 okay 6 3, right? Okay, look onto this, guys. Look onto this. I'm getting it like this. 5463 and 18 I'm getting it. After that I'm getting 9, right? So you take it any number now. You take it any number now. Okay, let's take it 99999 87878, whatever the number is. Okay, look on this, so many steps it will calculating it. First if you add this everything, if you add it everything, you are getting 28. You get only 28 if you add this all this number. No, not to worry about it, not to worry about it. Okay, might be so, I don't know. It should not be like this, right? So let's take it like this: 87 87, 8 plus 7 8 plus 7, right? 8 plus 7 8 plus 7, I'm getting it right. For the beginning, okay, wait a second. 9976365. So I'm getting it. Okay, might be this is the wrong calculation that is happening here. Might be there's some mistake, I don't know what it is. This is now, it is might be it is going out of the bond, guys. Might be it is going out of the bond. That's the reason it is coming like this. Okay, no, it should not be like that. The given number is going out of the bond. Okay, I need to use long end. Okay, so how many digits I have it here? Like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 numbers I have it. Okay, this is going for the long end. If I tell it as long end, I can solve this problem. I can fix this problem. Okay, so if I write it long end, I can fix this problem. Okay, this is going out of boundary. That is the reason I'm getting 28. Not to worry about it. Not to worry about this part. Okay, not to worry about this part right now. Okay, now let's like this, like whatever the number you take it down, whatever the 8-digit number you take it down. So you are getting like this, and you are getting like this, right? So 5 plus 6 7 3, it is nothing but 32 itself. So and you are getting 5, right? Like last answer you are getting 5. Okay, at the last, what you need to check it out, what at the last what you need to check it out, guys, or at the last what you need to check it out, you need to come here, you need to come here, and you tell it has, you need to tell it has, what is the thing you need to check it out? If n is equal to 9, right? If n is equal to 9, right? What do you need to do it, guys? I'll tell it as printf. It's a lucky number, right? It's a lucky number. It's a lucky number, right? Else what I need to print it out? Else what I need to print it out? It's not a lucky number, right? It's not, right? It's not. This is all about the lucky number, right? So I will come here, whatever the number you take it down. So I'll compile this. I'll compile this dot slash e dot outr, right? So I'll tell it has now like 5454, right? It is a lucky number. So it's a lucky number. It's a lucky number. It's a lucky number. Got it? Got it, guys? Oh, this is a lucky number. You can make it as a number plate too. No problem with that. Okay, so let's take it as my number, like 872256. Okay, I will only tell like this. Okay, so let's take it out. Okay, it's not, right? It's not a lucky number. It's not a lucky number, right? So that is how it is. That is how it is. Look here, I'll make it very simple for you now. I'll make it very simple. You might laugh at. Okay, you might laugh at. Okay, you might laugh at. Okay, I will comment it from here. I will comment it from here. Why this one I have given, you will understand it. Okay, I will comment it from here, and I will comment it till here. Okay, or else I will comment it everything. Everything I will comment it. Okay, everything is commented. Okay, except that closing bracket, everything is commented. Okay, this logic you keep it over there. This logic you keep it over there. Now I'll just tell the simple logic, guys. I'll tell a simple logic for the, for the lucky digit or not, to find whether it is a lucky digit or not. Okay, I'll just print it out. Printf. I'll tell it has lucky. Okay, lucky. Okay, I'll tell it has here. I'll tell it has. Okay, I'll put it in a ternary operator itself. I'll put it in a ternary operator itself. Right? Why to do it if and else, right? So let us printf. Okay, not of lucky, right? Slash it. And guys, now what is the logic? What is the logic? Right? That is what you are waiting it, right? So I'll put it as question mark here, and I'll put a logic here. What is the logic, guys? I'll be doing it is I'll just tell n modulus of 9. I'll tell n modulus of 9, and I'll put it as negation over here. That's it, done. End of your lucky digit number. Okay, so n modulus of 9, if it is divisible of 9, then it is a lucky digit number. If it is not divisible of 9, it is not a lucky digit number. Okay, so n modulus of 9 will return 0. I'll make it as 1, vice versa, and I will put it as lucky digit. Okay, so I will run this program. I'll run this program, compile it, and I will run this program, right? So now tell me which was the lucky digit. 5454 was the lucky digit, right? So I'll write lucky. It's done. Okay, what is the other number? 5643, right? 5643 is a lucky number. It's a lucky number, right? So for example, let's say like 8722, right? 872256. It's not a lucky digit. It's not a lucky digit number. It's not a lucky one. That's as simple as it is. Okay, take down this one. So now tell me which one was the easy one? Which one was the easy one? Whether this one or this one? Like both are correct. Both are definitely it is correct. Okay, but which is the one you want to opt it? You go for it. And why I have given this one, because you need to know how the iteration should happen. If you know this, you will get to know how you can go through the numbers, right? How to think the program. Okay, this is how it is number. Okay, I want to put it into the programming way. Okay, this is how I will break it down. This is where I am going wrong. Look, even when I write the program, I go wrong, right? So my intention is how to make it correct, not are you wrong, oh are you error, no, nothing like that, right? So I want to see it where I want to correct it, where I'm going wrong. If you have that trackability capacity, then you can really do it. This can be only done when you do this logic first. Okay, first you will come here and you will do this mathematics, right? You will understand the situation. Okay, this is the situation I wanted. Only if you do this rough work, at that time only you can correct your program. If you are not doing this rough work, guys, you cannot correct your program. Got it? Take it down this one. Take down this one. Okay, mean logic is this one. Mean logic is this one. Take down this one.